This is Love We Found Security.
Thank you guys for coming over all over the US. May bumago ba outside the US? Meron ba sa Philippines?
Magkilala sa kalagalagan kung ito kanina lang. Saan kayo kami?
Sige.
Florida!
Lapit lang ng US pa yung Florida.
Oo, syempre.
Sa Philippines. Good evening, Anaheim! Energy ninyo tonight. Ibang klase.
So amazing talaga. Alam mo, ayan, ulit namin sinasabi ni Pao na grabe, for the concert na tayo, no? Amazing! Professional show ngayon, nandito kami sa harap ninyo. All because of all the Kim Pao love na pinibigay ninyo. Do you want more?
Yes!
What kind of more? Ayan, grabe iba talaga ang show dito. Ramdam mo talaga ang love all over the world. May mga happy pa nung kasama. So supportive.
Feel ba talaga ang love na din sa Anaheim?
Ayan, best prescription for self-care, Kim Pao. Ayun yun.
Feel na feel talaga din natin ang love dito sa Anaheim. At syempre dahil kasama ka ngayon.
I'm so very happy ha, as an introvert yourself. It's amazing ha, for the nag-enjoy ka naman with me.
So far, nag-enjoy. So far.
Ala, what's your best experience with me? Close na lang talaga.
Hindi ko pwedeng ikwento sa kanila baka.
Ano? Alam niyo, sabi ko na kumanta mo na in mag-dance. Pero maraming salamat talaga for joining us tonight. You started the night amazing, kaya maraming salamat. Thank you so much for all your support. Dahil sa inyo, buhay na buhay po ang Kim Pao Spirit.
Hindi kasi napapansin ko yung mga, I see the boyfriends, the husbands, that were forced by their girlfriends and wives. Who were forced. So thank you for accompanying your loved one.
Yes, sa Redwood City nga, merong yung asawa niya, yung husband niya, sinurprise niya yung misis niya. Doon sa meet and greet, sabi niya, hindi ko alam, dito kami pupunta. Iyak daw siya ng iyak. Doon sinurprise siya ng hobby niya. Amazing, di ba?
Hindi ko may anak na ulit sila.
Ang advance ko naman. Nag-enjoy mo yan. Pero ano kaya ginagawa bago mag-anak?
Nobya.
Yes.
Pakasal.
Yes, amazing talaga. Kaya naman, ayan, yung mga napuntahan natin, di ba kahapon, santay kumain tayo ng dinner.
Sabi mo naman sa kanila yung mga ginagawa natin.
So, we're na talaga, yeah, dinner kami sa isang Mexican restaurant. The cutest. Ano bang mga recommendations niya ng mga magandang restaurant dito? bahay niyo.
Yung mga two-seaters lang. Two-seaters lang.
Sa bahay niyo ha. Ilang chores ito?
Shouting lang.
Yes, choking halo-halo sa Frida. That's it, di ba mami? May choking ba dito?
Yes!
Siyempre, ako ang third woman. Ay, siyempre, simula pa lang yan. One more time. Anaheim! Ako ba ang mabait ng mga children ko? Isang napakasigawan para sa isang malakasigawan para sa Kimpaw! Gusto mo lang lang magkiligin? Dahil this moment, isa-challenge natin silang dalawa! Sila Prima Paolo ay maglalaro sa tinatawag natin this or that. Ayan I will mention the following choices, then sabay-sabay yung sasagot Kim and Pao. Pero bago yun, I will let Kim and Pao do the honors of selecting their own team members. So Kim,
Una tayo.
baka mag-arthritis. Yung mga nasa lugar nila. Bakit mo mga kapitbahay na yun? Okay. So, eto na yung this or that natin, okay? So, kailangan ko ang inyong mga reactions, okay? Here are your choices. This or that. Okay? Makinig. I need your reactions, ha? Okay, first. Lights on or lights out? Lights on or lights out?
Ba't sila sumagot?
Ay, siyempre, excited sila.
Ako.
One.
1, 2, 3. Lights on.
Ang galing naman. Hindi kay pareho, yung isa ko.
Kim, ano ba yan?
Pwede ba mag-explain?
Okay, sige. Hindi ko mag-explain. Hindi ko. Paano?
Kasi mabilis sumakit mata ko pag malakas masyado yung tayo.
Kasi matatakotin ako.
Ah.
Gusto ko naka-on talaga yung mga ilaw.
Ay, ako, hindi mo na kailangan ng ilaw pag matatakutin ka.
Bakit?
Ay, andyan na siya.
Ang sarap siya.
Number 2. Eto na. Kumain ka na or miss na kita?
Miss na kita!
Paano na mamatay ka sa gutom niyan?
Ay, kayo ba kakasagot niya?
Ah, sige. 2, 1. Kumain.
Diyos ko, ipaliwanag niyo yan.
Hindi kasi yung akin...
Si Paolo natatanong.
Hindi tumataba ako pagkain naman ng kain. So, miss na lang ako.
Ano kasi, kumain ka na ba? Kasi lagi siya talagang hindi masyadong kumakain. Lalo pag hindi ako kasama.
Eto na, susunod. Eto, makinig. Bulo or tinig?
Titig.
Hindi mo ka sa gutom.
Bilisan mo masaya.
Saya!
Bulo or tinig? Parang ganun dami sa akin.
Kaya nga, di ba naka-animal print ka pa?
But I'm the zoo. Actor.
Tinig.
Ako mag-explain ako.
Explain, Kim.
Kasi iba man
Huwag
siya.
na lang explain sample na lang.
Ala!
Ano siya? Umpisa na natin sa sino mag-aak ng bulong? Okay, bulong. Ay, sorry.
Ilang variable yung ano yun?
Remember kasi, Kim?
Super naman talaga kasi ako.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Eto naman tutukan nyo, ha? Si Pablo naman nakaak ng titi. 1, 2, 3. Eto, reaksyon na rin. Yakapson o o kiss spirit?
Wow!
Yakapsul o kiss spirit?
Pero gusto ko talaga yung mga smile on your face. I love it. It made our Gusto ko talaga yung mga smile. Gusto ko talaga it's giving me.
Tsaka yung mga mukha ng mga boyfriend tsaka asawa na napili.
Pero talaga enjoy talaga yan sila. Thank you talaga super.
Diba? Oh, at magpapit tayo, kiss spirit.
Alam ko na-change ko na yung topic.
Ikaw naghihintay sila.
Ako gusto ko yakapsul.
Yakapsul?
Sige, yun na lang bilang.
Sweet! O guys, umpisa pa lang yan, ano mga sagot nila. Ang daming siling taklit! Ayan, at dahil dyan, dahil sa pagkakilig nyo, may mga nahuli tayo sa ating kiss cam. Okay? So, eto na ang mga nahuli natin sa ating kiss cam. Yung parang napapanood nyo sa NBA, ayan na.
Pati na rin sa Coldplay concert.
Oo, yan. Asan yung mga camera? Ayan. Sino mahuhuli sa ating kiss cam? Ayan. Kailangan ang mag-kiss.
Ang daming bato.
Bakit lang ang likod? Ito. Puro putok batot nakikita ko. Ano puro putok batot? Parang mga itsura. O ayan, pwede rin live kiss. Ayun na naman, ayun si nanay. Kayo ilan yung matuturo. Turuan na lang. O ito, umpisa na natin. Kayo. O ito muna, ito lagi. Habang nahanap. 1, 2, 3. O, magkasawa kayo. Yan, 1, 2, 3. O, dito. Kayo, yan. 1, 2. Wow! Sarap pa naman natin lahat. Yes, of course. Tuloy-tuloy ang ating sulitan.
Kiss!
Sila. Relax. Dito pala, gano'n na. Relax. May pasurpresa tayo. So let's continue to celebrate the love with Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino. Once again, a big hand for Kim Ha.
Sa hindi naasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nagtugtog, damang-dama na ang bukong ito. Di ba sa pagkat, sa ilalat na hindi ko iparang sa'yo.
Iiwanyagan ang iyong mata. Sumisigaw ng pagsinta.
At di ba katulad ng sulong ng buwan, ayaw umaasa,
Hinagkakaturan, ikaw ang hantungan, at di ang tulungan mo. upuan. Makaya ulit, doon naman tayo magsimula sa likod. Gusto niyo ba yun? Yes, for more amazing bonding.
Oh, nakita mo siya.
Later. Later.
Up close.
Ayan,
Saan ni Pao?
Meron akong poster of the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Wow, bakit?
Kasi... Kasi...
Ikaw ang buhay mo.
Kasi ikaw ang star. Kasi ikaw ang star na ang buhay namin.
What about your night?
Kasama na ako.
Oh, thank you. You're the star too.
Off.
Everyone's life. Kasama na rin ako doon. Ikaw ang star ng Pasko. Pasko na.
Ay, Diyos ko ha, isa rin itong city, tulad ngayon, star ka.
Wala. Alam ko na talaga tonight.
Diyos ko, iba-iba ha. At syempre ngayon, ililevel up pa natin ang kilig tonight. Dahil ngayon, kayo naman ang bibida. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready for our next segment. Ang masayang game na tatawagin natin, Picture Perfect Kim Pao. So we're gonna play a game, Team Kim versus Team Paolo. So Kim, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag-iwalay na tayo.
Ilang members ba to?
6 for each team. Three from the front row, three from the front row.
Three from the third row, and three from the fourth row.
Si Paolo Pipili.
Mahirap po ito. Mahirap po ito. Mahirap na ito.
Tita Heidi!
So, sandali na, para hindi magulo. Bawal magulo. Ilabas yung komando ko. Okay, Team Pao. Asan yung mga Team Pao?
Wala, pwede na.
Ay lang ang mabilis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lima ka na. Yun, 6. Okay na po. Dito na po.
Si Tita Heidi, napili ni Kim Chu!
Okay. Si Francis Claus muna. Si Francis Claus. Okay. Ikaw ang usapan Okay, makinig. Bago ma-excite ka na. Okay, team members, listen to the mechanics, okay?
Okay.
For each round, again, listen, focus.
Parang may boy zone dyan nakating si Paolo.
Ay, no, mamaya akin yun. Okay, ito na makinig. I will give a scenario, and every team will replicate, replicate a picture or inside a picture frame within the time limit of 20 seconds. So dapat,
For the acting part.
so dapat pag sinabi kong go, aaktuhin nyo na yung babanggitin ko, ha? Para picture perfect talaga. It's okay, don't worry.
In English!
I'm gonna help you. Yeah, I'm gonna help you out. Don't worry. I'll be your showman. You will be my pal. We will be showman. Okay, don't worry. It's very easy. So we're gonna play it like a picture perfect frame. I'm gonna say a scene.
Bakit malumanay ka sa kanya? At sa amin parang ano?
Ano kayo dalawa lang? Masaya? So I'm gonna say a scene, and then you're all just gonna act it out. Okay? And then when I say go, you all act it out. And when I say freeze, you all stop. Okay? Good? Good? Okay.
Balik-initan ka dun sa point na yung Miguel.
Okay, so the special winning team will receive a special photo op with Kim and Al. And we will determine the winning team sa inyong malakas na palakpakan at hiyawan. You will all serve as our judges, okay? Ang losing team, buti nga sa inyo. No, hindi. Meron pa rin kayong chance na makasama si Kim and Pao, okay? So, contestants, team leaders, Kim and Pao, are you ready? Ready. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes! The winning team is ready.
The champions are ready.
Oh my gosh.
Excuse me, we won the last. Kami nanalo na nakaraan.
Papawi, sa Redwood City, sila nanalo.
Kami,
Kayo na, hindi sila nanalo. Natalo sila. So, Kim, this is your chance.
Yes, this is my time to shine. I hope so.
may consequences, di ba?
Oh, okay, right? Sandali. Ganito gawin natin, na kung sino ang matalo, ano mangyayari?
Kiss!
Pag si Kim ang natalo, ano mangyayari?
Kiss!
Pag nanalo kami, kiss. Pag natalo si Kim, sasayaw ako.
Malinaw ba ang narinig nyo?
Yes!
Ulit ulit yung sinabi ni Papa Paolo. Pag natalo si Kim,
Kiss!
pag nanalo si Kim,
Sasayaw siya.
Only in Anaheim.
pag nanalo si Pao,
Kiss!
I think more on dance tayo today. Dahil minsan lang po yung dance.
Parang manood na lang sila ng asap ng sasayaw.
gusto nila live. Okay, ready? Ready na ba all friends? Okay, our first scenario, listen up. Animals. Kuha? Mga animal, katulad ko. Na nakawala sa zoo. Hold on, what's your name? What's your name? Jaden. Okay, Jaden. The first scene are animals who escaped in the zoo. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze! Oh, nakita nyo? Ano po ang susunod?
Parang mas maganda yung sa amin kasi yung sa inyo parang zombie eh.
May animal na magaling.
Kicking fish.
Anong hayop yung ginawa ni Mami?
Ano kung drone hindi? The scene to the second scene. Cheated. The second scene. Set up. Okay, eto na. Dapat ito yung arte niya. Mga zombie na nagpa-party at mga lasina. Zombies who are partying and are already drunk. Okay? In 1, 2, 3, go! May timer, may timer.
Pag daw ipoposi, naka-live siya.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, freeze!
Mundo.
Kim! Kim ang galing ko dyan. Kim! Hindi ko akalain ganito ka-flexible dahil. Sus, ginawa mo Kim. Ano po Kim? Sus, ay, ito lang kabila. Diyos ko, si Papa Paolo, mga po pa rin na siya. Diyos ko, huwag ka po matapak. Hindi na okay, and go! Release! Okay?
Super na talaga. Akala ko hindi ka mabalik sa tagal.
Alam ko ang galing mo rin. Hindi ko alam kung suti ka o model ka ba. Okay,
Dapat
scene number
natin sumayaw kasi sabi ni Mami, mananalo tayo kasi dapat sumayaw si Paolo.
Mas gusto niya ng kiss.
Ah!
ulitin na lang natin. Gusto lang sumayaw si Paolo.
Yes!
Gusto nyo ang kills. Eto pa. Perfect scene number 3. Ang eksena. Intense eksena sa isang teleserye na may sampalan.
Oh my
Okay?
God!
This is a scene in a TV show where the acting, or TV show or a teleseries, where you act, the acting is like you slap someone in the face. But don't make it so real. Or else there's be liabilities. Okay, ready? In 1, 2, 3, go!
Wala lang.
3, 2, 1, 3! Ano mo natawa ako sa inyong dalawa? Parang yung parehong lugi sa badyo. O, ito naman. No. Ay, Pilipino.
May mga ano dyan, roller coaster. Sabi ni Paolo.
Ay, no. Ay, nako. Okay. Release!
May marites kami dito. Nakaslow na siya.
Ito, gusto na makasama ng stage. Wala namang ginawa. Ready ba kayo sa inyong napili? Pag ako, gusto ko lang panalamanan. Pag nanalo si Paolo, ano mangyayari?
Yes!
Pag nanalo, parang naguluhan ka.
Ito ang balik namin, di ba Malatiboy?
At syempre, hindi rin naman pagkatapos si Papa Paolo. Okay, now, it's time to vote. Sa pamamagitan ng malakas sa palakpak siya. Let's start with Tim Kim! Nabilang ko,
Pagkakalitan yan.
3,180. Naku, Pao. Ito na.
Ito natalo siya sa Anaheim, hindi lang siya mapapasaya.
Naku, pero,
Ano gusto niyo makita, di ba?
pero pag si Kim ang naano, alam niyo na mangyayari. Ngayon, umpisa na natin. Team Paolo! Ladies and gentlemen, nabilang ko. Ano yung bilang ko kay Kim?
3,000.
Ay, Papa Paolo, 3,183.
Sasayaw na yan! Sasayaw na yan! Sasayaw!
Kasi nagawa ka ng rekang dito.
Malinaw, tapos na ang putasyon. May nanalo na. Kaya ang sigaw ng bayan. contestant, atras mo na kayo dito.
Hindi, kapago. Hindi, kasi may ibang kiss sa break, diba? Oo. Hindi nyo rin naman binayaran yung...
So, ito na. Paano? Yun na. Bibigyan ka na natin yun. O ngayon, photo of kanino with the fans. Tanong mo ba? Grabe.
Gusto ko yung nag-launch 3,186.
Grabe ang pressure ni Kim. Grabe ang pressure ni Kim sa iyo daw. Okay, smile. Hanap doon. Hanapin niyo kung kaninong kamera. Ito. Iyan, kamera. Oy, pero ano ha, joke aside, never kong ginawa ni Paolo yung gano'n. Kaya palakpakan niyo naman si Paolo. First time na yun dito sa Anaheim. Ganyan niya kayo kamahal. Nakakaloka. Diyos ko. Grabe din kasi ito mag-pressure. Okay, so, congratulations winners. Kahit yun, mag-ready ka na muna doon. Habang kami naman ni Papa Paolo ang magkumintuhan. Diyos ko, pero ang galing mong sumayaw doon. Nag-enjoy pa kayo doon?
Mahirap ko yung pera.
O hindi. Pero eto magkwentuhan tayo konti. Para naman sa inyong mga minamahal na mga fans, na talagang loyal. Asa na mga loyal fans ng Kimpa? Eto, katanungan na. Paano ba kayo unang nagkakakilala ni Kim? Pakinig.
I first met Kim during Star Magic Ball. I think nakwento ko na ito rin sa Redwood.
Redwood.
It was my first Star Magic Ball in ABS-CBN, and then we were introduced by our Sir Deo during a private party. And then while we were being introduced, may kabuluhang nangyayari, may mga nagsubukan. So, na-cut doon until several years after nakasama ko na si Kim sa ASAP sa mga ibang show. Pero nagkausap lang talaga kami at nagkatrabaho kami sa England.
So, fast forward, doon sa unang yan, for sure, nakita na, what attracted you most kay Kim? Malakas mo sa, what attracted you most kay Kim?
I mean, I know you guys know that Kim is multi-talented, but during Linlang, I think one of the reasons why she was considered to be casted there as well is to give her something different. Kakaibang role. And if you watch Linlang, ayun, hanap ko na yung word, it's an infidelity story. It's so far from Kim's personality, from everything she's done before. So, ayun.
What can you say about your loyal fans naman?
Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting all the shows from the show we started 4 years ago, from Linlang to our movie, which earned quite a lot here in the US. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for For those who didn't watch, it's on Netflix.
Oo.
It's on Netflix. But thank you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for continuing support, for your continuous support. I know a lot of you guys are watching Alibay as well, so maraming salamat.
Oo. Alam mo, dami talagang nanonood sa teleserye ni Remy Kim. Sino mga nanonood? Ano ba? Sino? My gosh! Alam mo, Pao, ang mga bisita at ang mga fans nyo ngayon ay nagmula pa sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Amerika, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. Okay, iparinig nyo ulit kay Paolo, lahat ng mga Tagalog! Lahat ng mga Kapampangan! Diba? Ang mayayabang, yan. Lahat ng mga yes, totoo yan. Lahat ng mga Ilocano! Oh, Karipot, yan. Pero
Bagyo.
Bagyo ka naman? Kaya pala super wow ko sa doon. Diyos ko, ano bang nakita mo kay Kim na hindi mo makita sa akin? At siyempre, ang mga Bisaya! Diba? Si Paolo is from Baguio. Wow, masarap doon ang mga strawberries. Diba? Ang taray! So, ano ang pinaka talagang exciting part mo sa world tour na to, Pao? What are you really looking forward other than yung samahan niyo ni Kim?
More than anything, it's really to come here and thank you guys. I know a lot of you guys haven't been in the Philippines in so long, or I know you miss the Philippines. Dahil iba na ganyan buhay niyo dito sa Estados Unidos. Kumbaga, masaya naman kayo.
Oo,
Kaya apektado masyado ng oil price hike sa mga nangyayari.
Ay, mukha lang. Pero apektado yung mga yan.
But more than anything, we're really here to thank you guys and to put smiles on your
Thank you, Pao. So, Pao, ikaw na muna bahala dito. Kasi alam ko, meron kami pakikilala.
Meron na naman?
Meron. Oo.
Ayan.
Muna talaga.
Tama.
Okay? So guys, palagpukan nyo ang minawahan yung Pao.
Para sa akin, ang kilig nararamdaman rin yan sa mga sobrang talented. Kasi mapapawaw ka hindi lamang sa ganda, kundi pati na rin sa talent niya. And I know someone who brings so much joy, energy, and light. Hindi lang sa stage, kundi sa bawat taong napapanood siya. And tonight, she's about to show you why she continues to shine brighter every single time. For 20 years and counting, Anaheim, are you ready? Are you ready to be amazed? Everyone, please welcome the one and only Kim Chu!
Sabi nila, love is a feeling, a connection between two hearts. Pero para sa akin, love is something I have been lucky enough to experience every single day. 20 years ago, I was a young girl from Cebu with a heart full of dreams. Walang kamalay-malay sa ginagawa. Hindi alam kung saan patungo. Alam ko lang, sumunod. You made me a big dreamer, and my dreams became bigger. Sinamahan niyo akong maniwala sa mga dreams ko. Dahil natiwala kayo sa akin, at dahil sa iyong pagmamahal at suporta, nandito tayo ngayon. Diba? 20 years later, I look back at this incredible journey. The memories, the lessons, the dreams that slowly came true. Pag natin natin yung sarap ng buhay ay ang sarap pala. 20 years of moments that changed my life. And the truth is, none of this would have been possible without you.
Sa araw-araw niyo, lagi mo sa pero sa tulong niyo, lahat na nakikita mo na sa iyo, pati ako na sa iyo.
Kaya gusto kong sabihin sa inyo lahat, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in my dream. And thank you for giving me 20 years, let's go. Love, Kim.
Ang galing mong sumayaw. Pwede ka bang opening ng mo kung ganun.
Yes, sino dito ang may mga world permit app?
Oh, yung huwag yung mga isusera again. Asa na mga world permit? Okay, thank you.
Yes, at dahil dyan, papasok na ang world permit representative.
Ang ating world permit representative na si Miss Tessa Alpea, or shall we call Tessa for short?
Yeah!
Ano dito to?
Yes, I love that dancing.
Yes. So now raise your hand if you want to dance for Kim! We're looking for people that are fast like a transaction speed. We're looking for people that are safe like a and we're looking for people that are amazing, that are great with my
Give me a
Right
Sige, sige. Tessa, have you found the three? Where's the third one?
It's coming up right there.
Is it this baby boy? Baby boy!
Oh,
Come on, son, let's go. You
oh, he wants to join. Oh, there's one of them. One.
Oh, there's another son. That's your son. This is my son.
Yes.
You have so many
There's so
sons.
many beautiful sons.
Oh, no, this is the father. This is the father of our child. Yes, this is the father.
You're looking for matching.
Yes. Oh. Yes, you'll be the godmother, okay? Okay, so before we let them dance, let's get to know them one by one. You stay
Hello,
here.
baby boy. Baby boy, what's your name? James. James. How young are you? 9.
9. And where is James from?
Lake Elsinore.
Lake Elsinore. It's somewhere here. Look at you. Okay, next. Tessa.
Where are you from, sir?
Ohio.
Oh, you're Japanese. What are you?
And what is your name?
James.
James, Ohio. And what is your name? And where are you from? April from Chino. April from Chino.
Oh, I think your birthday is April.
June. What's your name?
April yung pinakalan ng mama niya sa kanya.
And next.
Hi, Joe Frias from Los Angeles.
Okay, summer may bounce. Ha? Ano po sabi niyo? Ayun,
So first, we're gonna watching video right here on the screen. So cue the video and pay attention. Pay attention.
Okay, so, okay, the testers, look at the screen.
You need to study very hard. You're gonna watch it live.
Hi guys! Alam niyo, sa daling magpera-padala with World Remit anytime, anywhere, napapasiro din ako anytime, anywhere. Kaya naman, the World Remit Last Challenge Review.
Oh, did you get that?
You got
Did you get that? Did you get that?
Kaya mo yan?
Okay.
Pero matakot na yung bata.
Okay, placement, placement.
May 9 years old dito.
Oh,
So-
Ohio is confident.
Confident?
Ohio is ready.
Okay, let's start that. Let's make her start first. Because you're special to me. I will give my world and remit it to you. Okay, you start first.
All right, contestant number 1, April. Cue music.
Yes, okay. Yes. Ang ating first contestant sabi, going bulilit. Okay, next. Girl, yun ang pero last. Halika rito.
Okay, Miss Jo from Los Angeles, are you ready? Contestant number 2, cue music.
Let's go.
Professional.
Yeah. Sa work, ha? Hindi dance. Sa work.
Sa work.
Ito na yung, di ba last mo yung world mo? Yung baby boy naman.
Baby boy, did you see the dance steps? Did you see it?
Are you scared, baby boy? Don't be scared. Huwag ka magpakita
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Look at me. I am your future son. I used to be like that. Now I'm a transformer.
Okay, let's do this like this. Okay, for more progress. Let's go, baby boy. In 3, 2, 1, music! You know what that dance means? It's ocho ocho.
Are you familiar with the dance step? Who taught you that? Are you going to Ate Kimi? You going to Ate Kimi? Because now I'm calling.
You're the best.
Teresa, who are you introducing to?
It's your future.
Alam mo, sabayan mo na siya. For more togetherness.
I'm so happy that you came.
We need to do the challenge
I
together.
don't know, I mean, did you buy diapers already? Okay, you wanted that.
So, hailing from Ohio, contestant number 4, cue music!
My gosh, I think I have triplets. Okay, let's go back to the contestants.
Okay, everyone, you are all going to be the ones voting, so you need to clap loud, okay? So let's start with contestant number 1! Alright, contestant number 2! Contestant number 3! Contestant number 4!
Oh wait, I think there's a tie. We need a tiebreaker between number 3 and number 4.
Yes.
Let's start with number 4.
They can do it together.
Yes. Oh, you want that?
I want that. What?
No, what you call this, ano yun?
Naku, parang talaga English.
I know, kailangan mo tapat ko, tapat. Versus.
Yeah, first battle. Dance battle.
Okay, sandali, kayong dalawa, audience muna kayo dito. Okay, for the last time, together. 3 and 4. In 3, 2, 1, music! Oh my gosh, the family is complete.
And thank you so much, Kim.
Yes, we have 2 winners.
Congratulations to both of our winners. You both get to win a meet and greet with Miss Kim Chu herself exclusively after the show. Congrats! And of course, Kim, as our brand ambassador, we want to ask you, why do you choose World Remit?
Of course, World Remit, pag nagpapadala po tayo sa Pilipinas ng pera, of course, yung pinaghihirapan natin pera dito sa ibang bansa, it has to be secured, fast, and safe kapag pinapadala natin. Dahil hindi biro ang magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Kaya with World Remit, it's the easiest way to send money. It's fast, easy, and reliable. Kaya download the World Remit app na.
Yes, thank you so much, Kim. And again, you are fast, easy, and reliable. And again, we have a few wristlets left. If you want an exclusive meet and greet with Miss Kim Chu herself, go ahead and download World Remit and check out the table in the back. Again, make some noise for Miss Kim Chu and for that
Thank you. And watch this.
Akala ko sapat ka na, pero hindi pala. Ang kapal mo, pinaglasan ka na malaki. Pero pag kailangan kita, hindi kita maaasahan.
Dear Abigail, ayoko na sa dati ko yung pala-pala. Love, Juliana.
Oh, Juliana, move on at mag-switch na. The perfect match ng mga OFWs. Ang world you're in.
Alright, let's play. Let's play. Music na pala.
Nahanap niyo na ba si Mr. Right?
Kayo? Ako!
Actually, talagang hinahanap ko talaga siya, sinusuwid ko talaga, nasabi ko talaga sa self ko, is this the man I need?
Yeah! Kaya naman, Anahan, do you want more?
Yes, excited na talaga siya. Bukod sa pag-dance niya kanina, ay haranahin ang bawat isa sa inyo. Kaya naman, celebrating his 20 years in showbiz also and upcoming birthday ngayong May 13. Sinabi ko na, di ba, parbatingin niyo din siya. Kaya naman, huwag nila nagpatagalin pa to. Come on, deal with the amazing Paolo Amelio!
Sa maraming taon ko sa aking showbiz career, passion is the reason I keep going. 20 years ago, nagsimula ang lahat because I was curious. I was curious to tell stories. I was curious to become better. To tackle every opportunity with honesty and authenticity. Umusuko ka na ba? Lalaban ka. And that's when I was reminded of something important. That every journey needs three things. To have a dream, to believe in that dream, and to survive along the way. Dream, because without dreams, life becomes stagnant.
Watch the flow and be with the flow.
Believe, because just in believing that you can achieve the simplest things in life gives you the strength and drive to move forward. Masarap sa feeling yun. And survive. Because most of the time, surviving means swallowing your ego and pride. And through it all of you have witnessed and been part of my story. 20 years of stories, 20 years of growth, the years made possible because people like you chose to stay. Maraming salamat for believing in my dreams. Maraming salamat for walking this road with me. At maraming salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng aking journey. Patuloy niyo akong binibigyan ng inspirasyong araw-araw. Kaya paalala ko hindi lamang sa sarili ko, kundi ka na rin sa inyong lahat. Chase your dreams, just believe, and survive. Love, power. It's funny because, as I said earlier, I grew up in Baguio in a very simple household with 4 siblings and with 2 parents raising 3 children and 1 rebel. Yeah, so getting into showbiz was really something so different from home because everything was so laid back. Back in Baguio, everything was so quiet and peaceful, and when I entered showbiz, nagulo lahat. In a good way. Also the fact, yay! But yes, these are my childhood photos that I was initially hesitant to share. Pinahukay ko sa mga photo albums ko sa Baguio. And thank you everyone. Each person makes this journey in my career worth it? And yes, for my next song, sayahan naman natin ang konti.
Yes!
Reminiscent. Pero I'm sure a lot of you guys know this song, so if you know it, you can sing the chorus with me. Okay, music please.
Diyos ko, grabe, ang dami niyong kinili. Ang dami nakatanggap ng Star Boys. Pero siyempre, tuloy-tuloy ang ating naglahan dahil ang paborito niyong teleserye ng Kim Pao. Yes, you know, yun. Well, good news, we have someone very special back on stage to make us feel all the drama, all the romance, and all the nostalgia. She is here to serenade us with the ultimate Kim Pao teleserye theme songs, and I promise, every note is gonna make your heart skip a beat. So please welcome back. So ulit natin naman ang kasapalakpakan at hiyawan, your new gen pop diva, Carmel! The stars of the Alabama, King Chu, at Pablo Avelino!
Ambulansya na to.
Ay nako, Kim, Pao, alam niyo naman, pag may mga ganyan na tayong sound effects, alam niyo na merong mangyayari.
Ano?
Ah? Ah? Ah?
Hindi mo ako ulit yan.
Sandali! Sandali! Ano ang naalala nyo pag may nakaputi at pag naka-black?
Alam ko na super. Simulan ko na yung question and answer.
Diyos ko, kinakabahan ako. Naka-read away lang naman ako. Eto na. Diyos ko, eto na. Oh, ano?
Ala, super naman talaga.
Eh di, makinig mo lang sa sasabihin ko. Hihil lang ako siya. Sa entrance kanina, you all had the chance to send messages na sinulat nyo sa mga postcards. Kaya naman, andito na ang mailbox. At dito, pipili ang timpaw ng babasahin nila. Ang mapipili, babasahin ang message. Plus, one will have the chance na kausapin mismo si Kim and Paolo will finish the sentence game. Okay? Ganyan kayo kamahal ng Kim Paolo. Game na sila. Ang tanong, game na ba kayo? Okay. I-welcome natin ang segment na ito na Kim Pao Confession. First message.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow, wala pa tayo sa Canada, pero wala. Jim and Zenny of
From Canada.
Canada. Cantada? May lugar ba ng Cantada?
Ayun!
Canada.
Ayun siya! Pag natawag po ang pangalan niyo, tumayo kayo agad, utang na loob.
Yes. Baka pinupuntaan siya, basahin muna natin yung message.
Oo. Tumayo ka na ate at babasahin na ni Kim.
Dear Kim and Paolo, tonight means happiness. Nice seeing you guys again.
My favorite King Pao moment is watching your shows.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Okay, ito na ha. Finish the sentence, ate. Ate? Taga saan ka muna, ate? California. So, asan ba tayo? Chicago? Okay, Torrance. Okay, ate. Ready ka na ba, ate? Lakasan lang natin, ate, ha? Ate? Okay, ready? Okay, go.
Kung pagkain ka, ikaw ay...
O, ulitin natin. Kung pagkain ka, ano ka?
Ikaw ay...
Ulitin.
Di ba mo naman yun?
Oo, dapat may reaction ulit. Oo, ganun. Ang pabaga. Okay? Kung pagkain ka, ano ka? Go, Kim, ito na lang. Kung pagkain si Paolo, ano si Paolo?
Kung pagkain ka, ikaw ay siomay. Kasi yun ang favorite ko eh.
Siyempre, hindi naman magpapahuli si Paolo. Kung... Sila hindi makakaalam nun. tanungin mo rin si Kim kung pagkain ka. Okay, at paano kung pagkain si Kim, ano naman siya?
Kung pagkain ka, ikaw ay kanin.
Kanin? Bakit?
Kasi kaya mo lahat. Kahit anong i-partner sa'yo, kaya mo.
My sense. Diba? Ate, masaya ka ba? At dahil sa katanungan mo, may matatanggap ka.
Teddy bear!
Yay! Thank you, ate na taga-Torrance. Okay, next.
Today is my birthday. Can we take together?
Kevin.
Oh, yes, later. Happy birthday!
Okay, next.
Bigyan. Oh.
Okay, Paolo naman, Rob.
Victor. From Victor.
Victor!
Yun lang, ikaw.
Victor!
Tonight means a paramount of happiness to all of your dedicated fans.
Oh, the cutest. It's so deep. Paramount.
Victor!
It's a different kind of happiness. Thank you so much.
Wow.
My favorite Pimpaw moment is meeting both of you during the premiere night of your movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear. Oh!
Okay.
Umalis siya.
1, 2, 3. Wala na po si Victor. Manahimik po na.
Effort pa naman yung message niyo.
Andiyan pala!
Oh!
Diyos ko, nabuhay siya.
Victor!
Sir.
Nasaan si Juliana?
Okay, Victor, are you ready? For the sentence. Ayan na.
Oh, the cutest. Thank you for...
So, let's read it loud and clear, Victor. Go.
Sure. Sa dami kong taong nakilala, ikaw yung
Sa dami ko,
Paramount Jeep.
nakilala,
sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw ang... Okay.
ikaw yung
Ikaw muna.
Oh? Ladies first.
Ikaw muna. Wala.
Sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw ang... Ang daming coach.
Okay, kayo na dito. Kayo na dito.
Sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw ang...
Ano naman? Mag-2 shows pa tayo.
Kailangan ko ba sabihin? Sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw
Kanin na naman.
kanin ng buhay ko. Isa sa pinakamasipag.
Thank you. Nasipag ka.
Dalawang ginagawa.
Yes, I love working. Pero ako naman, sa dami kong nakilala, ikaw yung icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake.
O, sige, ulitin mo. Ikaw ang icing sa buhay ng cupcake. Okay, sabihin mo. Sige, ulitin mo.
Sa dami na nakilala ko, ikaw ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake.
Hoy, palakpakan nyo naman! And Victor, thank you so much. Thank you. Palakpakan nyo naman yung segment nating Confessions. Alright, Anaheim, tuloy na natin to. Now it's time to sing your heart out because Kim and Paulo are about to lead us in a very special karaoke segment, singing most of their memorable songs as Kim Pao loved him throughout the years. Ladies and gentlemen, Anaheim, once again, Kim and Pao! Grabe yung huling eksena yun. Okay na ba mo, Day?
Yes, ang haba may trail kasi siya, hindi ko rin alam ang ganito.
Grabe naman yung pagpapakilig sa ating lahat, ha? And speaking of pagpapakilig, para naman itong moment naman ito ay para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Dahil meron tayong mga talagang loyal fans nyo rin na talagang may hinanda sila. So, we would love the representative of Team Anaheim. Team Anaheim, please. Ayan, ang Team Anaheim. Please.
Wow.
Pumila kayo dito.
Happy
Anniversary.
anniversary na namin. Thank you.
Yes, because it's your anniversary and it's your birthday. Okay, what's your name, ma'am? Your name? Heidi, go ahead.
Hi, Kim and Pao. Hello. Kami ang Kim Pao International. As you can, thank you so much. And we have a special, on your special day, we want to give you a special presentation. Hindi lang kami dito sa Anaheim ang gusto magpasaya sa inyo, but all over the world. So we have a special presentation that you can watch. Watch tayo. Please watch this.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to Kim and Pao. This is Jocelyn, Chico International from Los Angeles, California. Hi, Kim and Pao. I'm so I'm here just to see you. Salamat sa happy birthday and congratulations on 20 years. Thank you for all the joy you bring. We love you. God bless.
Hi! Merry Coffees from Indonesia. Salamat ulang tahun pernikahan dan salamat ulang tahun untuk Kimi dan Paolo. Happy anniversary and happy birthday to you, Kimi and Paolo. I wish you all the blessings in life, ultimate happiness, and of course, always good health. Take care always. Bye! Love you!
I'm Kim Pao. My name is Worship, one of the members of Kim Pao International here in San Diego, California. So I want to wish you both a happy birthday and happy 20th anniversary. So congratulations. Hi, Kim and Pao. This is Nina and Kate Perry of Kimberland. I want to wish you a very happy birthday and anniversary. Happy birthday, Kim and Pao. This is Anna, and I know how we call me. I'm from San Francisco, California, and I wish you both a happy life and to have a happy family. Happy birthday and happy birthday. I'm wishing you the best for both of you. This is Marsha. Hi Kim, happy birthday, Miss Carol. Know that you have been a huge part of our lives, so yeah, just take care and God bless.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary, Kim and Pao!
Happy birthday, Kimmy and Paolo, and happy anniversary as well. This is Heidi, and wishing you all the best and happiness in life. Enjoy every moment of it.
Okay. Lahat Kim Pao Anaheim, sabay-sabay po natin i-greet ang Kim Pao ng happy anniversary and happy birthday in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy anniversary!
And speaking of birthday, Naalala niyo yung ginawa natin kanina? Okay, now stand up! Everybody, Anaheim! Ngayon, ang pagkakataon niyong ipakita at iparamdam sa kanila na mas magaling kayo sa Redwood City! Okay, so ready! Ready! Huwag niyong ipapahiya sa dalawa, ha? Tandaan niyo yan, ha?
Nakasama ka, parang simbahan.
Oo.
Pinapatayo.
Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Tandaan niyo, lalong-lalo lang yung nasa likod. Sa likod, pakikita kayo sa camera, ha? Hindi mo ipapahiya, ha? Okay, ready? DJ, hit it!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow! Maraming salamat sa mga naka-asul. Oh, meron pang isa. Oh, asan yung video natin yung kanina pinrelatis natin? Oh, tugtog nyo rin yan. Tapos yung mga placards nyo, i-ready nyo na. Itaas nyo eh, nakikita ko bago natin pindutin. Sasabayan nyo ang video. Okay? Tumayo kayo. Lahat ng mga may sakit, gagaling. Lahat ng hindi na... lahat ng hindi na... Lahat... Mamaya na yan, hindi ko na siya. Lahat ng hindi nakakakita, nakakalakad yan. Okay, ready? Video, music, go! Okay, malakas ang palakpakan niya! Okay, Pao, please stay here in the middle. Ayan, because this moment...
May performance din pala sila.
Nakita mo yung galong-galong nila.
Surprises naman pala tayo dito.
Diyos ko, nakita niyo mga itsura niyo? Lalabas yun sa National Geographic. Oh, eto na. This is the moment when you're gonna hear your beloved Kim Chiu and Paula Avellino na magbibigay ng mensahe sa inyo.
Hello, mga Fury! But yes, thank you so much! Thank you, Hindi ko naman naging emotional.
Alam ka, pinaiyak niyo si Kim!
Yes, thank you so much talaga with everything that's happening around the world. We love to see your beautiful smile. Enjoy ko yun sa mga performance namin ni Pao. Sana kalimutan niyo yung mga problems niyo for a while. Did you guys enjoy? Thank you so much for coming to our show tonight, for supporting all our teleseries. Because all of your love and support, nagkaroon kami ng world tour and another series coming soon, which is Copino. May dahil yun sa inyong lahat, for always supporting us, for always supporting our project, sa TV man, sa Prime Video man yan, sa YouTube man, or dito sa world tour, kanain mo sing and dance kami dito, and by the introvert Paula Avellino na pa sayo sa acting, dance and all. So ayan, maraming salamat talaga. This means so much to us kasi akala namin mga 50 people lang yung mag-watch sa amin. Pero thank you so much. Yes! So grateful. Dance challenge pa kayo with everything sa lahat. Basta I'm very happy and very grateful to each one of you here tonight. Thank you.
O, ikaw naman Pao, for your fans.
Before we even started, I think, selling tickets, parang Kim was very nervous. People would watch us when we do our own, ako rin naman, and our own like mini concerts going around the US and Canada, and hopefully even more. Pero seeing you guys here and seeing you guys your support and seeing this whole place almost filled up. We're grateful from the bottom of our hearts. So thank you guys. We appreciate you. We appreciate all the efforts you gave for everything, the dances, even for you to just go out of your house, buy tickets, and come here. We're thankful and grateful. So thank you.
Wow, wow. At eto pa, may humabol pa sa'yo. Ayan, happy 20th anniversary.
Sa start pa lang, inangat, nakaangat.
Tapos na pala ito. Hindi naman ako sa'yo.
Pwede ba mag-hello kayo sa aking Instagram?
Okay. Gusto niyo ba lumabas sa Instagram? Yeah! Ready?
Hello tayo. In 3, 2, 1.
Oy, pero nakita ko talaga ang luha sa mata ni Kim. She's very, very happy. Very, very happy. But of course, we're not gonna just end the night na hindi natin maririnig ang mga mensahe nila sa isa't isa. So, the floor is yours.
Grabe.
Kim.
May pari na kami!
Join us, and may mga flashlights kayo dyan for more energy
Okay.
concert
Oh,
feels
flashlight.
level. Pwede nyo i-turn on, sing with us, and enjoy the last few songs.
Pero Kim,
Nag-hearing na naman ako. nais iyakap mo.
Sa muli, palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi. Nanalo, tingnan pa natin si Kim sa game kanina, di ba? So, wala ko.
Kiss!
Meron sa amin.
Kiss! Yes!
Pero actually, parang nanalo din si Paolo eh. Parang nanalo din si Paolo.
Yes, dahil talaga siya ng super.
Ano ako dahil halos na puno natin ito.
Grabe, sobrang bilis na pangyayari. Parang kailan lang nag-opening tayo ng Nanana at Ale. Pero eto na tayo ngayon. We just wanna say thank you to everyone!
Kaya, gusto namin balik-balikan agad lahat ng moments na pinagsimulan natin.
Yes, from the kilig to the music at sa love na binigay nyo. Kaya naman...
Anaheim! We prepared a little surprise for you!
Kiss!
All in one special video.
Yes, this is our Love People World Tour live in Anaheim.
Lamang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako. Gusto ko lang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako.
Missy,
Miss Ika,
Sir Ray Olano,
Ate Yen, Mama Jen, and Ate Heidi.
our dancers, Ancestral Vision!
Yes, of course, Carmel. Thank you so much. And our host, Poga.
Everyone,
Yes.
Everyone, back in. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anaheim, this is Rose Kimbo. Anaheim.
Thank you!